Hi guys, how's it going? So in today's video, we are going to take a look at the distinct clause. So what is it used for? Basically, distinct clause is used to return list of unique values inside one or more columns from a table. Okay, let's take a look at an example to understand what it is. Select distinct everything from SQL HR.tbo.employees, right? So what this query will return is all the unique records from the employees table, SQL HR.employees table. How many values are there? There are 20 values, right? Let's take a look at if there is any difference between the default table and the distinct table. SQL HR.dbo dot guys, okay, 20 values, which means that each record inside this employee table is unique. Now let's see what happens if we select only distinct values from reports to. So this only returns two values, which means that the reports to column only contains two unique values. First is null and the second is 37270. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. See you in the next one. Till then, peace out.